Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can print your 3D model to 3D object using 3D printer. So this is the model we created in the last class. So this is gear teeth. To print this object to 3D print using 3D printer, you need to export the file to the file format that 3D printer wants. So you can export the file by clicking the menu. So go to the file menu and then export. So the all 3D printers has a different file format for most of 3D printers except STL file format. So STL here. So that is standard triangle language. So that click this one and then I click the location and export. So I only done this one, so it takes time, but you can export the file and you can find the file on your download folder. So I already downloaded the file, and then the next step is I need to run a software to convert the STL file into the 3D printer format. So STL is a standard format. So and then the 3D printer, they use their own file format. So I'm using a special software that is called Cura. So let me show you the software real quick. All right, so this is the software that I'm using for my 3D printer. So Cura. So if you have different 3D printer, you need to use different software that is provided by your 3D printer manufacturer. So this is the Cura software, and I set default setting, and then this is my 3D printer name, Creativity Ender 3. I have this one. This is very cheap, so I bought this one last year. It was about under $200, very cheap, but high quality software, high quality 3D printer. So I'm going to find the file that I exported from Fusion 360 here, this file, and this is. So in the 3D printer, I can also orbit, rotate the object, and then we'll see. So once I loaded the file into this software, that shows prepare and then preview, and then that shows the settings. So you can change the nozzles or the qualities, and I'm going to use this default setting, and then I can click slides. So that will show you so how many hours it takes. So this is actual 22 grams, and then 2 hours, 42 minutes it takes. So once I'm ready, I can click this file, save to file, and see this one. So I'm exporting this file to my 3D printer file format, so which is .g code. So this is the file format that my 3D printer is using. So I'm going to save this file to my USB drive somewhere and find. Okay, so let me check in. So I have a USB driver. So yeah, I found this one. So no name, and I'm going to save the file with the file name. Let's just say Pocket here. So I'm saving this file. Okay, I'm ready. So I have the USB file. Let me show you my USB file, USB drive. So this one I bought from I uploaded this file from my computer, and this has this small micro so micro SD drive disk. So I'm going to put this into my 3D printer, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is my 3D printer. So I turned on the power, and yep, this is my 3D printer. And I inserted my micro SD card in here. So, and then my 3D printer can find my file. So this is the monitor, small monitor, and then this is knob. I can control the 3D printer using this knob. So click. It's very simple. So I can find the menu, print from TF, and there's you see the file name, podcast here, .g code. So I can click this one, and then that will show you the next menu, bed heating. So to print out a 3D object, 3D printer needs heating, make warm the board and then nozzle. So here's a nozzle, this is nozzle, see? And this is 3D filaments. So I bought this foam, this is PLA, this is the environmental friendly filament. So it goes to this nozzle, and then it's through this line, it feed the plastic, and then it goes to this nozzle, and then print by moving this one X and Y and Z plane. So it takes time. So it takes about 3 hours, and then we'll see how this print.